plumbing problem? Make Mr. Reuter your first call. We're committed to providing our customers with professional, timely, and caring services. And you'll pay a flat rate, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You never pay an overtime charge. You'll know who your technician is before they arrive. And our clean and courteous professionals treat your home with respect. For your plumbing and drain needs, day or night, call Mr. Reuter.
I'm Don with Mr. Reuter Plumbing. We're locally owned and operated, and there's a reason they call us Mr.